Let's learn some birds' name. Number one, sparrow, sparrow. Number two, parrot, parrot. Number three, pigeon, pigeon. Number four,